name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you pork feet. And here it is what we have to need to use. I have water over here already in a pan. Just water just to cover the meat, the feet. This is a pork feet. So what we have to do, I washed it very good. I rinsed it. Sometimes if you see any little hair between the legs, you can burn them on the fire and you can put this in the pot. With this, I have some rosemary, I have bay leaf, I have sage, and I have tulsi. This is the sage and that's the tulsi. So what are they for? This is just for beginning to put them into the water to boil it. We're gonna let this boil about maybe 10 minutes and then we're gonna throw the water out. We're gonna rinse them back and we're gonna put nice clean water, because beginning when you boil them, you're gonna see how much foam it's gonna be. It needs to be clean, the water. This is the first water that we're gonna put, and we're gonna boil it about at least 10 minutes, and then I will show you what will be. This dish we call, it's Xhash. It's in Armenian. In Armenia they do this occasions to get together in the mornings, to bring together families and in the morning. This is very, very famous in Armenia. This dish, it's very healthy. This gives you a lot of gelatin. It's very good for your bones. If somebody broke their bones or whatever, it's very important to eat this Xhash. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna put for now, even though later again I'm gonna put some rosemaries. So just to boil for now, and then we're gonna throw everything away. I'm gonna put at least 2-3 pieces from each. And what it's gonna do, just to give the smell and clean up the meat. And then I'm gonna show you why I will say that we have to change it. We're gonna change the water again. And now that I'm putting here, it's gonna boil 10 minutes. I have another pot over here. I'm gonna lower it. I already put to warm it, to boil it. Why? Because when we wash this, we cannot put back, you can, but it's better to put from hot meat to rinse it and put in the hot water, because sometimes the meat, it gets harder when you put in the cold water to cook. So I'm just preparing this until this one is boiled, and I'm gonna show you what will happen. Okay, now that it's been cooking for 10 minutes, now you can see the color of water, and then you can see all the foams. So what we have to do, we're gonna empty this, we're gonna rinse it, and I have already prepared water which is boiling. We're gonna rinse once and we're gonna put in the clean water. All right, now you see I empty it and I rinse it all very nice. I have a water over here which I just turned it. It was boiling. I'm going to turn this fire on and I'm going to put the water to cover it and a little even extra. Now you will see it. Now we're going to put again some bay leaf, 3 to 4 pieces. That doesn't matter. Couple pieces of rosemary again. Now the smell of the feet, that when we did it, it went away. Now it's going to be nice and clean liquid for you. I'm going to put piece of tulsi. It's an Indian basil they call. It's optional. It gives very good smell, just like a basil it is. I'm just going to put in. I'm going to put even lemongrass leaves. It will give very, very good taste and smell. And we're going to put a little lemon in it, and we're going to keep this cooking. We're going to cook this about maybe hour 45 minutes. And then when you see the meat, it's separating from the bone, just like you cook meat, it will be done. If no, you will cook some more until you will see the bone is separating from the meat. And now we're going to put some seasoning too, a little salt and pepper. Any seasoning you like, you can. Here's the pepper. And now we're going to cover it and we're gonna cook about 1.5 hours. Okay, now the food is ready. I want to show you. It took about hour and 45 to 15 minutes. Now you can see over here. While I was cooking, of course, it needed some more water because the water absorbs, so I air it up. And when you cut it, break it, it should kind of separate the bones from one to another. That means it's ready. This is all gelatin. Now you can prepare this in the morning until noon when it gets cold. Sometimes if it catches any oil, there is a little fat in it. It doesn't have too much. You can put this in refrigerator and then it freezes maybe 2 millimeters. And what you can do with the spoon, if you take it out, it comes very easy because it's already became a jello. So now this is how we serve this. This is what we do at the table. Of course, we put this in a big pot, in a presentable dish, and we put this on the table. And what we add, we have lemon, we have cumin, a garlic, and a pepper. So what we do is we put the lemon ourselves as much as we want. So is the cumin. If you like, you can put a lot. If you don't want it, you put a little bit. The garlic, again, as much as you please. If you want more, you can put more. If you want little, you can put little. And a little pepper, the chili. So, I guess I like the pepper and the garlic. Let it be together. So we will mix it. And this is how we will eat it. This is the lemongrass, which I put in it to give a good taste. If there is any vegetable like bay leaf, whatever you don't want it, you can just take it out. And this is the way we serve it. So because there's a lot of bone, we eat it and we put the bone next to it. We eat this with cilantro and lavash bread. I don't have the lavash, so we have a pita bread over here. So I want you to try this. I want to say this. This is very healthy dish. It has a lot of jello in it. It's good for especially for your bones. It's a lot of collagen. It has a lot of good vitamins for your bones to be strong. This is my grandmother. She used to do that. My grandmother, I have two grandma, of course, one from father's side, mother's side. One of them is from Marash. That's the city they were living. And one of them is from Dikranagert. That was which both of them are in Turkey now. So that's what they used to do it. And when we were kids, they were always cook this for us to eat to be strong. And it's good for your face, for your skin. It's very healthy. Well, I hope that you'll try it. I'm sure all the Armenians, when they watch, they will know what it is. I hope you'll try this. It's very healthy for you. It keeps you young, your skin especially. So enjoy it. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like and enjoy the dish. Thank you very much again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.